Hello everyone, I'm Karen Dangola from Adjoins, and I am absolutely delighted to bring you this beautiful Billyard home with large living spaces, beautiful high ceilings and a quality only found in a build like this. This is a home that you and your family will enjoy for many years to come. And with a backdrop as beautiful, comfortable and relaxing as this, it'll be a fabulous place for you to spend time with your family and friends. As you've seen, this is an amazing home, and location-wise, it is hard to beat. With the new walkway just behind me, you're only minutes to the local high school. We're in close proximity to Kellyville shops, William Clark College, as well as the local transport that will take you to all the amazing corners that this suburb and the surrounding suburbs have on offer. So we really hope to see you at the next open home so you can enjoy this wonderful backdrop, so you can experience this beautiful home. I'm Karen Dangola from Adjoins. You care about finding the right home for you and your family, and we're here to help you on that property journey. I look forward to seeing you soon.